This week's Tech Tip of the Week is all about validating input. In Bixby, you can do this directly in the action. Let's take a look at this sample air handling capsule to see this in action. All right, I'm going to validate a number.
I need an integer to continue.
101.
Halting because you entered 101.
Example number 1. It halted because I entered 101. All right, running it again.
I need an integer to continue.
42.
Using replan to change integer to 0 because you entered 42. Here's what I found.
So in this case, because I entered 42, it did a replan and changed 42 to 0 and reran that action. One more example.
I need an integer to continue.
20.
Please provide an integer smaller than 10. I need an integer to continue.
8.
Here's what I found.
Voila, that worked. Let's jump over the code and see how this all works together. All right, we're over here in the code and we're in the validate inputs action. Let's see how validation works. All right, look at this, validate, and it says if the integer is equal to 101, then halt, and there's a dialog that's shown. Very simple, that was the first example. Now, if the integer equals 42, then do a replan, and that means re-execute that action, but in this case, we're replacing that 42 with a 0. And then finally, if the integer is greater than 9, if I get down there, then prompt the user that I need an integer less than 10, and then it will rerun that action, and I'll have to re-input a number. There's a bunch more you can do with validation. Check it all out on bixbydevelopers.com, and that is your Bixby Tech Tip of the Week.